Hey everybody, and welcome to Boston, Massachusetts. Today is April 25th, 2023. It's about 50 degrees out. Maybe it's probably more like 55 degrees out now, and it's about 11:20 a.m. Today I'm going to be checking out part of the Boston City Hall renovation project. It's really, they've put down some really new, nice public space here. To be honest, I'm not sure when this all opened up. I guess I just noticed it when I was in town like 2 days ago, and I was like, this, a lot of this area used to be very fenced off, but now there's a lot of open public space here, which is real nice. Like all these benches down here, and this, I believe this is called the Playscape Plaza playground. It's this whole play area, which is excellent. So I'm just going to walk through here to Boston City Hall, which is right here in Government Center. Yeah, it seemed like for the longest time this area was fenced off, and I could be crazy, and this has been here for a while now. You can see there's still some yellow tape over there. But yeah, this is a really nice addition to this area. There's still some fencing on the other side. Some pretty views of Boston too. I guess these are funhouse mirrors. Yeah, makes people look shorter. The other ones make them look taller. And there was a circle up here. And on Google Maps, they call it Circle Plaza. You can see we're just coming up on Cambridge Street. And here I'll check out the circle area here, which has seating. No, I'm pretty impressed with this space. I really like it. Yeah, they're still doing some construction. You see there's more yellow tape over there. I think I just pointed to it. There we go. It's hard to see. The screen on the back of my camera is itty bitty. In this bright light, it's really hard to see where I'm aiming sometimes. But here we can check out the circle. It has like the names of Boston neighborhoods on it. It's pretty cool. You can see it says Back Bay right here. And Jamaica Plain, JP. Bay Village, Mattapan. Yeah, so it's this neat little Mission Hill, Brighton, the North End, Charles. So basically this ring has all of the Boston neighborhoods on it, which is really neat, I think. Dorchester, South Boston, downtown, South End. Yeah, sorry, the sun is very bright right now. I thought it was going to be less. But anyway, see Hyde Park. Alston has a seal in the middle. Oh yeah, I think. There you go. So pretty neat. In time for the tourist season too, which is great. Anyway, I just wanted to show this bit of Boston. Yeah, you can see there's still fencing up front here. I don't know what they're still working on. We're up here by Government Center, train station. I think my camera's aimed a little low, but there we are, yeah. So they're still doing stuff up here. Anyway, that's all I wanted to really show. As always, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't. Like this video. Check out my photography at Wayne Oxford Photography. And I'll see you next time. Bye.